Relationships often collapse because of emotional storms that partners cannot navigate. Stoicism provides a framework that allows couples to weather crises without losing their bond. Instead of demanding constant validation or control, Stoic partners cultivate resilience, patience, and perspective. This transforms conflict into collaboration and obstacles into opportunities to grow stronger together. Rule 1. Master your tongue. Words can heal or destroy. Stoicism teaches restraint. Before speaking in anger, ask, is this true, necessary, and kind? If not, remain silent. Couples who practice this avoid emotional shrapnel and maintain trust. Scripts. Replace "you never" with "I feel" and "I need." Clarity without attack keeps respect alive. Rule 2. Expect challenges. Many imagine that love should be easy. Stoics know storms are inevitable. Financial stress, illness, family issues, these will come. What matters is your preparation. Agree beforehand. We will not fight each other. We will fight the problem together. This pact creates solidarity during trials and keeps love unbroken. Rule 3. Practice daily discipline. Just as Stoics train their minds daily, couples must practice small acts of love and self-control. Examples: express gratitude once per day, hug for 20 seconds, or share one insight from your reading. These micro-disciplines accumulate into macro-trust over years, preventing the drift that kills many marriages. Rule 4. Separate event from story. A partner forgetting groceries is an event. The story, they don't care, is judgment. Ask first, clarify later. This keeps resentment from building. Epictetus warned, "It is not events that harm us, but our view of them." Couples who master this skill stay calm where others collapse. Rule 5. Boundaries are love. A Stoic boundary says, if X happens, I will do Y, because I value Z. Example: if shouting starts, I step outside until calm returns. Boundaries are not punishments but guides for respectful love. They prevent cycles of harm and make expectations visible, reducing conflict. Rule 6. Amor fati in marriage. To love your fate means to embrace your partner, not as a fantasy, but as reality. This removes endless frustration and builds intelligent adaptation. Instead of wishing they were different, design life around who they are. The introvert gets quiet mornings. The extrovert gets social evenings. Acceptance creates harmony. Rule 7. Repair fast. Don't aim for perfection. Every couple argues. High-trust couples repair quickly. Use the 3-step repair: responsibility, remorse, reroute. Example: I'm sorry for my tone. I see it hurt you. Next time I'll pause first. Delivered quickly. This strengthens rather than weakens love. Rule 8. Jealousy detox. Jealousy arises from fear and illusion of ownership. Stoicism dissolves it with reason and self-respect. Replace interrogation with agreements and suspicion with trust-building habits. Confidence is magnetic. Control is repelling. Couples who drop jealousy free themselves for real intimacy. Rule 9. Teach children by example. Kids imitate state before words. If parents regulate stress, kids learn resilience. Family drill. Call, pause, breathe, then share one sentence of feeling. This turns the home into a practice ground for virtue instead of a battlefield of tempers. The Stoic parent shapes future adults by modeling composure. Rule 10. Build systems, not promises. Instead of vowing we'll argue less, design structures. Weekly budget talks, phone-free dinners, monthly family councils. Systems reduce friction and make good habits automatic. A Stoic household is predictable in virtue and free in spirit, balancing order and joy. Final thought. Passion alone burns out. Stoicism keeps the flame steady. By practicing restraint, gratitude, and acceptance, couples transform ordinary love into unbreakable